Hello everyone. Here is group 4 from set 3. Today we are going to talk about the topic about should brain chips, which is also known as brain-computer interfaces, be used to enhance human intelligence. Here are our members: 张馨月、郭佳明、秦瑞琳、孙艺曼 and 叶佳怡。
The first part is opening. Imagine a future where a small brain chips can help humans learn faster, remember more, and control machines directly with their minds. This technology is called Brain-Computer Interface, or BCI. So what is BCI? BCI is a direct communication pathway between the brain and an external device. It collects brain signals, extracts useful information, decodes the user's intention, and turns it into commands. When we talk about medical use, originally BCI was mainly developed for medical purposes. For example, it can help the disabled patients control robotic arms computers or other assistive devices. This shows that BCI can greatly improve human life. For surgery risk. However, some BCI systems are invasive, which means they require surgery. This creates safety concerns, medical risks, and long-term uncertainty. For treatment vs. enhancement. Well, originally for medical use, the controversy now centers on enhancement, using chips to augment the memory or processing speed of humans. The ethical problem becomes stronger when BCI moves from treatment to enhancement. Helping patients recovering is different from upgrading normal human intelligence. Another important is ethical and religious issues. When transitions from BCI treatment to enhancement, we face the profound ethical and religious challenges. The expensive BCIs could. It exacerbates equality in society. If only the rich could afford these chips, society may split into two biological castes, completely turned over the ideal of equal opportunities. And when algorithms assist in making decisions, the boundaries of agencies became blurred. If AGIP optimizes an individual's choices, how much of the self remains? This is the most urgent ethical crisis. Also, for privacy. The brain is our final fortress. BCI pro-life ration means corporations or governments could access subconscious emotions or conducting neurosurveillance, representing an urgent ethical crisis. Lasting from religious perspectives, the body and mind of humans are often viewed as the given, which sacred and divinely ordained. Theologians argue that pursuing superhumans, perfection reflects a drive to master nature. This erodes humility towards life as a gift and may be perceived as a desecration of the divine order. So, do we have any control measures to reduce these risks? Strong control measures are necessary. Initially, governments should create clear regulations for BCI development and use. Brain data must be protected through strong privacy and cybersecurity systems. And the user of BC must give informed consent about having their neural information collected. Access should also be fair, so the technology does not only benefit the rich. BCI projects must be reviewed ethically by independent reviewers. An independent, ethical review will include scientists, healthcare professionals, lawyers, and representatives of faith-based organizations. And all reviewers will work together to determine whether or not BCI technology respects humans' dignity and integrity. Overall, BCI technology has the potential to greatly improve lives in many ways through medical care, rehabilitation, learning, and cognitive development. However, the use of BCI for enhancement raises serious concerns. including inequality, privacy invasion, loss of personal autonomy, and religious objections. Without proper control, the risks may outweigh the benefits. Therefore, BCI technology should be developed carefully under strong regulations, ethical supervision, and respect for human values. Technology should be used to improve life, not to create division or harm society.